Hello, everyone. Just want to welcome you to today's analysis. So this is what I'm seeing in Crash 1000. So if you go to the weekly time frame, we have a clear view of what is taking place. For a very long time, Crash has been moving down, and you can see the impulsive moves. Here we have an impulsive move, and here again. But when we reach this point, this part, we can see that there is a loss of momentum. Here there was more a moment, the momentum was high, even here. But when we go to this place, the momentum seems to be decreasing. And then if you also draw our weekly trend line, we can, so here we had a downtrend comprising of low highs and low lows. We have one, we have this structure. So we can see here we have our high, our high, then we have our low high, low high, low, and here slightly low high, low high, until we go to this point. And if we can join these low highs, we end up having this trend line. But on this point, if you check here, there was a break of this trend line. That's one. Then if you move further down to the daily, we can see there are some interesting things that are taking place here. If you also draw our trend line, our daily trend line, trying to join these points, we can also see that there was a break of this trend line, implying that there's a possibility that the trend is going to go up. Okay, then apart from that, the market got to this point, and here we can see there's also a divergence here. If you take your RSI, here, our RSI here, this one, we can also see that at this point we have a divergence. It's not that clear. Okay, from this point here we can see that we have this, but when we come to our RSI, we can see that we have this structure. It's not really up, but it's a little bit flat, but there is a divergence at this point. And also the daily trend line was also broken at this part, and here again we also have a double bottom. We also have a double bottom. We have a double bottom here on this point. There's a double bottom. A slight, we can just call it a slight breaking structure, because here we have a low, a low high. Here we can't say that the market, or look at where it closed here. It didn't make a low again, and now it's now making a high. So we are moving from this structure where we had a series of low highs, low lows, and now we have something different. So apart from that, again, we can also see that, so we can join this trend line. We also have a trend line here where we join this low and this. This is not necessary. Okay, but when the market go to this point, here we have our resistance. At this point, we can see this is a flip over. It was a support here, it was broken, became a resistance, and it also was respected at this point. But I want to take you to the main reason why we are suspecting that the market is going to likely go up. I'm anticipating that the market is going to go up. Why? This is what I'm anticipating. So I'm anticipating that the market is going to go up based on the following reasons. One, so this was what I'm anticipating. The market for the next 2 or 3 weeks is gonna move and push and break this resistance, and then it will move to this part. Why? If you go on to the 4-hour time frame, I just want to open your eyes, guys, on what I'm seeing here. I've been trying to figure out what was taking place in Crash 1000. So I just got it now. So I decided to share with you guys here. We can, if you join here, we have sort of a wedge pattern, but this is not a wedge pattern. This is what we call a flag. We have a flag here. At this point, we have a flag. This is called the flag pattern. There is a flag. So in most cases, whenever you see a flag, it's a continuation pattern. So I'm anticipating that the price is going to break. It's gonna break this upper trend line, and it will go up. This is where the breakout is going to take place. And if this is confirmed, we are slightly going to break this, probably come and retest, and it will be able to push up, or maybe there will be no retest. It will just break. So when this structure has been broken, the flag pattern, you know that there's a high possibility that this resistance will be broken. Once this is confirmed, we know that we're going to move and push up to this part. So according to the flag pattern, you wait for the breakout first, and your stop loss is going to be below this flag. Then you move up with the market up. So our target will be this part, this price. Even here, we also have a point, so we can target this part, 68.49. Our stop loss will be on 63.04. But if your account is small, just wait for a breakout, and you know once this breakout is confirmed, your target, your first target will be here, 65.05. You wait for the breakout to take place at 65.04 here, and then you go up with the market. So if your account is small, this is a perfect time to grow your account by taking these buys. But we just have to wait. We just have to wait for this to be confirmed. Once this flag pattern is confirmed by a breakout here, we're going to buy. So what we can do here is this: we wait for a break of this level. Here we're gonna wait for the break of this level. Once this price 64.11 has been broken, then if your account is small, you're first going to target here. Your target will be here, this price 65.09, and then you're going to move your stop loss slightly below the resistance which has been broken at this part. Then we move up with the market. So this is what I'm anticipating. Although it might take long, but if you're going to sell in crash, there are high chances that you lose, because the market is not going to move. Although here we can expect that the market can come here, maybe come down, but eventually it's going to break this flag pattern. So thank you so much for your time. This is what I saw, and I decided that just to make a quick video and share with you guys what I'm seeing in Crash 1000. So I hope this plays out well. If you have any question, please, you are free to contact me and ask. So if this is confirmed, what I can see here is a flag pattern. Definitely the market is gonna push up and reach this part. Thank you so much for your time, guys. Enjoy the day.